What's the meaning of Corning Ware? Corning Ware. Corning Ware.
Corning Ware. Corning Ware. Corning Ware is a brand of glass ceramic cookware used for baking, cooking, and serving food. It was first introduced in 1958 by the Corning Glass Works Company. The material is made by fusing glass and ceramic together to create a durable and versatile product that can withstand high temperatures and thermal shock. Corning Ware is known for its ability to evenly distribute heat, resist stains and scratches, and be used in the oven, microwave, and dishwasher. It has become a popular choice for home cooks and professional chefs alike due to its functionality and timeless design.